Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. I'm about to step into a call right here, and apparently all I've been told is that this system needs a float switch. That's really all I've been told about it, so we're gonna go in and I'm gonna take y'all with me and see what we got to do here. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so the air handler is behind this wall, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to take down some paneling. Here we go. Wow. Man, so it has a float switch. It's not doing anything. There's water in the pan. Wow. Somebody made a uh-oh. Not putting this back. We must have a clogged drain line. Looks like we do. Alright, so we got a few things to fix here. Man, how do y'all like this air handler though? So much fun to get to, right? Okay. Pop this cover off. Okay. What mess we got in there? Got water in the pan. Alright guys, so I'm going to set this back in here. I don't think there's nothing wrong with it. I just think it wasn't put back in. We're going to put it back in here and you know, make sure it works and get this water out here, clear this drain, and go from there. Alright guys, this thing wasn't even wired up. It was just pretty much just laying out. So we're gonna hook it back up and test it. Alright, so one side of our float switch will go to the main R wire from the air handler. Just making another passageway for the circuit. And our switch closed side will go to our two R's from our outdoor and indoor unit and thermostat. I ain't wiring it. So this other side of the switch will go to my other R wires. All right. That takes care of that. Let's get this water out of here. Get this drain line cleared off. Alright, let's flip it on and see what comes out of here. Oh, a little bit of stuff. Let's check it now. Alright, seems to be draining good that way. All right, we got a good working switch. finished up with that one, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed the footage I was able to get. That one was pretty straightforward, other than the float switch just laying out, not wired up. Not sure what the deal was with that, but we got it back hooked up and got it all cleaned up, got the drain clear, and yeah, it's back going good. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I'm heading on to the next one. Thank y'all for watching.